Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix an engine warning indicator issue on your TVS Ntorq scooter. Most of the time it is caused due to a faulty heat sensor which is placed on the bottom side of your engine. This is how the sensor looks like and this is the packing of the sensor if you want to buy it. So in this video I'll show you guys how to successfully replace a faulty sensor with a new one. So the first thing, to access the heat sensor, there will be a heat shield on the silencer. So we have to remove the heat shield first. One side it is connected with a spanner, a nut and bolt, so loosen it from one side, and the other one we have to remove with the plus screwdriver. So after removing the heat shield, you can see we can easily access the sensor. The sensor is connected with a wire and there is a screw. So first we have to remove the wire from the sensor. So my sensor is bit loose, so I have to hold it with a spanner and then I will try to remove the screw. So once you remove the screw like this, you can easily detach the wire from the sensor and then rotate it anti-clockwise direction to remove the sensor. So the old sensor is removed. So now I'll just put on the new sensor. So same like that, we have to rotate it to the clockwise direction and just tighten it. Don't tighten it too much, as much as required tighten it. Then attach the wire again back to the sensor and tighten with the plus screwdriver or Phillips screwdriver. So once you tighten it adequately, sensor should be working by now. So now just take a look at the speedometer and you can see that the warning have been removed. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video and help you guys. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. Take care.